Hi everyone, and welcome to this new video. So in this video, I'll show you how you can add dynamic captions to your video in Camtasia Studio. And basically this is a new feature in Camtasia Studio which allow you to add dynamic captions. And in this video, I will show you how you can do that. By clicking on captions, if you don't see it in this menu, just click on more and then look for captions, as you can see. And all you need to do is drag and drop this into your timeline. Basically, after recording your screen recording or a video, whatever, it only needs to contain your audio in your recording. As you can see, drag and drop the caption like this. Give it some time to automatically create the captions, and select the period of the captions in your timeline. For example, if you want the captions only at the beginning of your video, or if you want on the whole clip, you can adjust the timing by dragging this caption box into your whole timeline, as you can see. And let's test it now. And hi everyone, welcome back. If you tried it or typed in your password, you can see time. And you can see the captions that are clear, and you can adjust the placement of your caption if you want it on the center or whatever place you prefer. You can adjust that, and also you can adjust the text, the colors of your captions here in this box. You can see, for example, if you want it in red, and you can adjust your settings. If you want a background for your captions, for example, if you prefer background, and also you can change completely the style into whatever style you like by drag and drop again the new style that you prefer, as you can see. So this is the second style of your captions. Basically, you can find some error, especially in spelling, and how you can fix those error in spelling. I will show you that. Let's zoom in our audio, as you can see, and here you can see the word. If you have any error here, you can change the term. As you can see, the whole text here, and you can choose that to change the text. For example, if you find any error on your on your voice, you can change that to anything you want. For example, let's change this one. You can see that I did change the text. But basically it is good, and it is automatically converting your voice into a beautiful form of captions, as you can see. And that's it. That's the purpose of this video. I hope you understand how you can do it on Camtasia Studio. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, leave me a like, and also don't forget to share this with your friend. Thank you for watching.